Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Telegram banned phone number on settings. We will click here on settings, then we come here to settings window and we will go down. We will click here on apps, then we come here to apps window and we will go down here to looking for Telegram apps. And this is window, we will go down to find the Telegram app. And this is window, we will click here on Telegram, then we come here to this is window and we will click here on for stop, then we will click here on OK, and we will click here on storage, then we come to storage window, we will click here on uh, so sorry we will click here on clear cache and we will click here on minute story, and you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it and it's going to work with you. So that's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.